Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your profile on Freelancer. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, then go to your profile which is at the bottom of the screen, click on the three lines. And after that, click on the view profile, and then you can see that there are sections that are not completed, and then you can complete them if you click on that edit profile, or if you want to change something like your professional headline or summary, and you can manage your portfolio items, experience, education, qualification, and so on. And if you are all done, then click on the save changes, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.